So hey guys, welcome to this video. Today doing something new. I'm gonna attempt to use SeaFoam on this Volkswagen Jetta because I'm experiencing like a high idle. I actually went out and I actually changed out the spark plugs, the ignition coils. I cleaned the mass airflow sensor. I cleaned the throttle body, and then I'm still experiencing like a kind of not a high idle in a sense, but the engine revving. Like I can feel it in the cabin. So he wasn't doing that before, so I know something's wrong. Something definitely wrong. So I'm gonna use this SeaFoam. Saw some good reviews about it online. Never saw it done on the Volkswagen, so I'm making this video for anyone who wants to try it on their car as well. It's pretty easy. So it comes with a straw, and the directions are pretty much at the back. Maybe I can attach the screen, or you can just pause it for and just read it. Yep, so the instructions are here. Should camera can pick it up, but I'm gonna walk you through over it. This is my first time doing this, so if I do something wrong, please let me know in the comments. So here we go. So I'm gonna show you if you can actually hear it for yourselves. So the engine's warmed up right now, but it idles normally around this area. Normally in the cold start this morning, it goes up, right up, but it comes down eventually. But not sure you can hear it, but it's the feel. I can actually feel the engine. I don't think it's the engine mounts. It just randomly comes and goes. Like right now it's actually idling heavy. So I'm gonna go under the hood and show you what to do. First step is actually get your car to operating temperature. So it's actually at 90 degrees, 109 degrees, which is normally operating temperature, which it normally operates at. And then going under the hood and do the next steps. So here we are under the hood. We're actually gonna spray the cleaner right through the throttle body, right here. This part of mine is broken, so I do have access to this clip. I'm thinking maybe I can just hook it back and then get this into this area, the straw, or maybe I just have to remove everything just to be safe. Not really sure. I'm gonna try to remove this first. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to remove it from here, so I'm just gonna remove the top area. So this cap comes out, and then you want to get these two clips on the side. Just press it in, unhook over here, and then hook over here as well. And then should hook. I'm just trying to get the cover up a little bit. Okay guys, so I was able to actually get this on the hose through the cord right here. I was actually able to get it on, so I'm able to actually get it on here. Had to move some pads around, move this hose clamp around. It's definitely difficult to move on. And then yeah, so the instructions are warm up your car, which is warm right now. Throttle body, full guide cleaning to place throttle body 1/4 inch from the throttle plate. I believe that's so. As I mentioned before, I cleaned this, I cleaned the throttle body. I have all new spark plugs, which are Bosch. Also NGK spark plugs. Cleaned the air filter, and I also changed the PCV valve. So, but still running kind of rough. So I'm hoping that maybe there's carbon buildup and that's gonna fix it. So get the car running inside and see if that. Okay, so the instruction says to get the car up to 2000 RPM. I'm actually using this jack stand and placed onto the gas. So hopefully it maintains at 2000 and nothing actually moves. This is what I did. I used the jack stand, placed on the top, and that should keep it idling at 2000 RPM while I actually spray the cleaner into the car. So the engine is running at 2000 RPM. Now I'm gonna enter the cleaner in. So we got our can, and then I'm gonna put it in. I'll probably do it with one hand if you can hear me. So I got the cleaner, and I'm now spraying it for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been around 5 minutes and the can is completely empty. Now I'm gonna shut it off and then remove everything, put it back together, and then the instruction says let it soak for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let it soak for about 10 minutes and then drive the car. Also to note, there's no smoke yet coming up from the exhaust, but we'll see after that. Yeah, okay, so we shut it off. We sprayed the whole can in. Now we're gonna put back the boots and everything together. So let it soak for around 10 minutes. So we set our timer for 10 minutes right now. Then we're gonna get a drive, get in the highway and get some miles in. Maybe drive for around 10-11 minutes. I'm just gonna hit the highway and just hit up north, I guess, and see eventually if I get smoke. So I haven't seen any smoke yet, so let's see how that goes. Okay, so we got it out and this is how it was. Then put back the clamps together and put everything together and then let it soak for 10 minutes. Okay, just putting everything back together. We got this back in place. I'm trying to get this cap back in place. Got a master sensor back in place too as well. So hopefully just clip in. Then get this in place and now get ready to kick in a drive. It hasn't been 10 minutes yet, so I'm gonna let it soak a little bit more. Get our tools out. Get ready for a drive. Mentioned before there wasn't any smoke while I was doing it, but when the car starts up, we'll see if that changes. Okay guys, so it's been around 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna start the car and see if I get smoke, then take it for like a 10-minute drive on the highway. Okay, start it up. Let's see if I get smoke at the back. Nothing as yet. I'm gonna give you a couple of revs and see if something comes out. Okay. Yeah, a little bit. Not as much, but not as much as smoke as I expected, but give it more revs and get in the highway and see if that fixes anything. Okay, some slight smoke, but nothing much. I'm just gonna take in the highway and see if that fixes it. Okay, the can does say to drive aggressively, so I'm gonna floor it and then head on the highway. So let's go. So guys, we're in the highway right now. We're gonna floor it, so let's go. So guys, just came back from our 10 minutes drive or 15 minutes, went on the highway. I didn't get on camera because I want to show I'm speeding, but I actually went up to like 110. The RPM's up to like 40. Floor it as much as I can. Didn't see much smoke at the back, so I'll show you it properly, but the engine sounds way quieter or more quiet than it was before, so I guess it worked. Not really like sound like a truck, but I guess it did something. I don't have a camera to check the cylinders or anything, if it's clean or not, but it definitely did something. You can feel the engine, it's not like loud as before, but it's calm, I guess. So I guess it works. So thumbs up, and that's how you SeaFoam your car.